Hi guys, we're savoring our last day in our hotel, last few hours in our hotel before we leave, and then later we have a flight going back to Manila.
When she lay down, I will start annoying her again.
Bye guys. We're just here, like, Mommy, ang laki ng kura, oh! You know? Hindi ka pa okay? Hindi pa, ma, hindi pa. Uwi na.
Morning guys, another crossing, another day here. See Godzilla is waving. It's on the street now guys. Kaya lang nandito lang ako
Donkey, mega donkey. And we're back on the big guns. The green light. Okonomiyaki. Oh, there's such a big donkey. I love it. The Godzilla. Another Godzilla.
Hi guys! Dito ko na medyo aking first subscriber. Nasaan na kaya siya ngayon? Ayan, ayan na naman po si Godzilla.
Daddy's mother.
Lord, tell that your Lola, lagot. Huh? Yes.
My gosh, look at that though. Siyang malaki lang sa lang. Ang baba niya lang ba? Nakakatakot. So scary. Tamagotchi.
I got my sticker out and gonna put it.
Here in Shinjuku. We're now looking for a place to eat in Shinjuku. Our Godzilla.
Daniel!
What did you say kanina?
No! Stop! Why is it everywhere?
Mini Shibuya Crossing, guys. It's so cute.
It's a mini ship.
Yeah. Hi guys, we're eating McDo. The McDo here are so good. May shrimp talaga yung burger.
Coconut patty.
Oh, yum. Dad's burger. Daddy, pa itong mga burger mo. Look at that. Wow. And there's Kenzie. Happy, Mom? Yeah. go. Okay guys, we're gonna ride the train going to the airport because we're going home na. What? We are going home na, sadly. Hi guys, we just arrived at the Narita Airport train station.
My sister's crying.
So sad, we're leaving. Nung nadating pa namin, sabi namin parang tagal-tagal. Naipan days. So bukas sabi ko, gawin mo na ngayon parang we're back at the airport. Ang bilis! Parang nandito lang tayo ng kailangan. We're here. Tada! We're here. So sad. Terminal 2. At the airport, guys. Oops. Yung siniklo. Sa mga siniklo. Oh. Ayun na. Looking for our gate. So sad, guys.
Hi guys, we're now here at the airport and my eldest son is dropping the droplets. Thanks Wi-Fi, see you again next time. Yes.
Oh, inalagaan kita. Good service.
Oh my. Eh, nasan yung ano? Yan sila yon. Okay, we're now here in Departures. Olgates. Okay, see you later.
Hi guys, just passed the immigration with my passport and boarding ticket. Waiting for my family. We're inside Narita Airport. Again! We're gonna go inside. Wow. Going inside Hermes. We're inside Narita Airport. Hi guys, about Royce this morning. And we're going by Narita Airport. Any final words, mommy? I'll be back. We're going na. Bye, Japan. Final words, Ken?
Bye, ate.
What? Daddy? So
My
slow.
final words is I'll be My final words are I'll be reincarnated as a pigeon as I lost my parents while watching pigeons. Where did you get your
We're going, guys. Na.
Goes down to the second floor.
Of course.
Please hold the handrest on what you said.
We're leaving na, guys. Hey, Machi. Final words?
Nothing.
Wala kang goodbye message or anything?
Pag-goodbye, babalik ulit kami ng August.
Yeah. Where am I in this equation? We were just walking here.
2 weeks
Kenzie, play area, oh! It was just 2 weeks ago we were there on the other side. And then we were the ones watching the people walking here. And now... Guys, babalik tayo ah.
Yes.
That's a mount. Kenzie. And there's arcade. I don't know. Delito. Waiting.
Hi guys. We're entering Super Ferry. It's a ship going back to the Philippines. We'll just take 1 month and we'll be there now. Bye.
Bye Japan. Say bye Japan.
Bakit? Babalik pa ako.
Si Mami bye. Sabi, bakit babalik pa ako? Ano ba yan? Guys, say bye. Say bye.
See you again. Love you.
Okay, say see you again.
See you again.
Pati si Mami, sabay. 1, 2, 3, go.
See you again.